Hello guys. So this is the project we handled last year in Okiwe, is in Ajib precisely. So I actually came here today to check on the state of the palms, how they are doing. Here we planted genera, about 3,000 stands. So as you can see, this is how they look like, very healthy, greenish. If you can look very well, you see the straight line going there. These are palms. I'll just take a little walk because I can't walk through the 3,000 stands to show you. Look at how healthy they are. We in Beko Farm, we don't only plant for you, we also do the necessary checkup and follow up to so that your investment will not turn out wild. Look at look at it. Look at the way they are. Very healthy. Very healthy. So in the next this June, I think, no, July made it 1 year. Yes, this July is 1 year we planted this. So there is it. You can see the owner of the farm protected his farm. You see, the entire farm is being protected. Look at it here. So they are also trying because to maintain farm and of this kind is somehow costly. It's not somehow costly, it's costly. So, but the owner is really trying, and the people that are working here are also trying to see. One of the important things about oil palm plantation, see this space, you can see this side is growing here. You see this side is growing, but this space within the palm, there's no weed. That's it. So feel free to contact us. Be very free to contact us. We will handle all your, even though you are outside the country, you want us to handle it till you come back to the country. There's no problem. Even the owner of this particular farm is not in the country, so we handle this project, give him feedback, and look at the outcome here. If you are asking who is this one speaking, is the head boy of Beko Farm. Is the head boy of Beko Farm. My name is Henry. So that's just trying to, at least we are passing through two lines. We use standard measurement meter. That's 9 by 9. You can see the distance from that one to this one, and from this one to the other one. You can see how the farms are looking healthy. Do well to contact us today. We will do a nice job for you, and we promise you won't regret or anything. There's no regret that you maybe invested in palm oil plantation with us. Thank you, and God bless.